Okay guys, I'm fixing to put our countertop together, but I have to put a jig together first so that I can tighten it down and hold it tight. So I'm not going to be talking, I'm just going to be working. To start with, I'm going to be putting the Craig jig holes in this board that you see laying behind me, because that's part of the countertop. And then I'll explain that to you when I lay out the countertop later. Okay? Okay guys, this is our jig. Come over here so they can see you. Stand at the jig so you can show them. You look at them. So this is our jig. So we've got to lay out our countertop. Then we'll have to glue it, and then we'll show you how it becomes a jig. Okay?
Okay. Bye. Love you.
We'll be right back. Step up a little bit so they see your face. Now. There you go. The reason we have these cut like this, see, they're in angles, because what we'll do,
And this will fit. And this will fit.
no, that one don't fit. What we'll do is take and put them right here, then you pull out the biggest board, or pull out the one of them. See how I moved it from side to side? This one will be screwed down.
This one fit.
We actually want it where the big part is there.
This one fit.
We got to turn them around, sugar. Like that. Yeah.
This.
Anyhow, they'll be like that.
And this one will be right here.
No, that one will be down there. Right down there.
Right down here.
Mm-hmm. Just like that.
And then
But you'll screw, what I'll do guys is screw this anchor down into this 2x4. And then this anchor we'll use to beat with a mallet into here to tighten it all up. You'll see the process as it goes. But that's this is a This is when you don't have clamps to tighten wood. This is a way to do it. You will need, for each board that you have underneath, you will need one of these so that you can tighten all the way the length of the wood. But what I'm going to do, since that 2x8 is not quite as long, it's actually about 1.5 inches short.
This one fit?
Yes, that one fits. Thank you. You put that one at the next one. Thank you, buddy. You're a big help. See, look at you. You're such a big help. Did y'all see that? He put that together. Them two dark pieces. There you go. Nope. Nope. You had them right the first time.
Like this?
Yes.
I can put this one.
Put them on another board. There you go. But anyhow, so what we're fixing to do is get these screwed down. And then I reckon my countertop's going to be about 1.5 inches short, but we'll figure something out.
Like this
For
one,
that. Nope. Turn it around with the big ends at one end. Nope. On the other side. Nope. Other side. Nope.
Ew.
Come here. Let me show you. Look. See how you got one big end and one little end? The big end and the little end go together. See? Yeah. Whoa!
Ew.
Yeah, like that.
This,
Put one down there.
like this.
Yep. Put one down there. But anyway, that's what we're going to do. We're going to get these spaced out and then get them screwed down. So that's what we're doing.
You guys
Now we're
see
down
that
to working.
something. We're down there working. Hi.
Okay, guys. Whew. My hair's crazy again already. Okay. I've got it blocked together. See how our things work. Now they do, you know, I'm just me. So, I'm going to try to tighten those two up again. As you tighten some up, the others get loose and they'll back out, so you just have to keep going. But I'm starting to stand on top of it a little bit because to keep the boards down. But I'll show you what we're fixing to do to keep it from bucking up as it dries. I've got 4 boards. That we're going to lay across, just like that. and screw them down, that's going to hold all the boards down. When I screw these down and get them flat, then it'll keep the boards from being able to buck up, okay? So that's what I'm fixing to do, is screw those down. Okay, we've got them all screwed down, so it'll keep them from bucking up. Now I'm going to get me a wet rag and clean up the glue. Now my boards are not flush because I don't have a table saw, guys, so I wasn't able to like saw off the little edge. So I just have to do what works, right? So they're not exact, like right there is not exactly flush, but you just sand it a little bit, and then I'll show you what I do to fill it in when we get to that step. But right now, I'm just going to wash off the glue from this top side, because this is the top side of our countertop. All right. Okay, guys, I got the water washed up, wiped up, or the paint. Glue, good Lord, glue wiped up pretty good. Look, I know these are not professional countertops. I know that. But they've worked for me. I put some in, y'all know, a year or so ago, and they're still holding up good. This one will be sanded and stained and all that, and it'll wind up being beautiful. But what I wanted to tell you, this is a 12-foot countertop, and I literally paid $41 and a little bit of change. I can't remember exactly. And that was tax and all for the 3 boards that's making my countertop. Now the 2x4s, I know somebody would say, why you go to the trouble of doing that? Because I don't have any clamps to hold my wood together. Clamps, for a good strong one that would tighten this up, started around $48. I only have $37 in these 2x4s. So, and the 2x4s I can actually use again, because I'll take them up, I'll use the screws again, the 2x4s will be good to use again. I mean, it's all usable wood, guys, and cheaper than if I had to buy some clamps, because that was just one clamp. For a 12-foot board, I'd had to have, well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 braces across there, so I'd have to have about 7 clamps. And then I'd still have to have another 4 or so to put on the top side to keep them from bucking. So that's out of the question. I'm not a woodworker. I don't have a shop. That's why I'm in my kitchen floor. But anyhow, there you go, guys. We'll be back when we start doing a little more work on it. Love you.